Data centers have been around in one form or another since the advent of computers. But what exactly is a data center, and how does it work? A data center in its most basic form is a collection or grouping of computers into a centralized location. Or, in other words, a data center is a building or structure where we house computers, called servers. A server is a powerful computer, connected to a network through which we access the storage and compute. Some servers even store the information we use on a daily basis through the internet and Wi-Fi connections. These servers are installed in racks, and data centers could house many racks of servers. So what makes a data center different than a regular building or simple warehouse? Well, a data center functions more like an enormous machine. Data centers are sophisticated buildings and, in their design, must ensure the servers are always available and operational 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Critical systems in a data center which ensure this is possible are heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, power and power backup using uninterruptible power supplies, and fire suppression systems, to name a few. A collection of servers requires a significant amount of power to operate and produces excessive amounts of heat. In a data center, it's not about keeping the computers comfortable or even cool. It's more about moving the heat from one place to another, unlike an office building's cooling system. Thus, keeping the servers operational and functioning efficiently can become quite complex. Additional factors that could affect data center functionality may be weather conditions, risk of fires, geographical considerations such as earthquakes or seismic activity. Today, data centers are all around us. Small data centers containing only a few racks, up to large buildings or complexes containing thousands of racks. But what is a data center used for? People across the world use enormous amounts of digital information in everyday life, and it is constantly increasing. This information could be the internet searches we make, streaming media we watch or listen to, data stored in the cloud, and the social interactions we have on a daily basis. Now consider the way we communicate. Whether it's by email, phone, or texting, all of these are examples of information from billions of connected devices that need to be processed, stored, transferred, and accessed. This happens in data centers all over the world. Companies are constantly moving data, applications, and processing into the cloud from local servers. The cloud can be simply described as a large number of servers working in conjunction across one or many data centers. In 2018, the amount of global information created was approximately 33 zettabytes and is expected to increase to an astounding 175 zettabytes in 2025. This ever-increasing dependence and need for information are why the demand for data centers is also increasing and not expected to slow down anytime soon. What is a modular data center? Traditionally, data centers were built as stationary structures and could be housed within conventional buildings. Yet, over the last decade, we have seen the increase of data centers being built using prefabricated methods. A modular data center, simply, is a pre-manufactured data center in an off-site manufacturing plant. These buildings are normally constructed out of steel and are pre-equipped with wall panels, lighting, cabling, power, and cooling equipment. The modules and equipment are tested in a factory before being transported on-site, where they will be assembled into a data center building. Modular data centers are generally smaller in scale than larger traditional data centers, and are ideal for uses where clusters of computers need to be closer to users or sources of data. As our world grows and technology keeps pace by expanding the need for faster computation and more storage, modular data centers will continue to evolve at the same pace. The next time you use your phone, laptop, or Wi-Fi signal, you can have peace of mind knowing that your data is stored securely in a data center somewhere close by.